It's Rolladell.com, and today I will be teaching you how to activate our Windows, because a lot of PC users, they have the issue of Windows activation. So probably their license key has expired. So the Windows are bringing updates for them to buy a new license key and get access to Microsoft Word. So today I will be making some prompts, so whereby you make sure you follow the prompt on doing so that you can get your PC Windows activated. So later today, my PC was having the same issue, Windows activation. So I came across a video whereby I was able to remove the video activation window. So this is why I'm doing a video for us to be able to have the same experience as well. So now on your PC, make sure you get this available. So I will be using a link as well. I will make sure I will put the link in the video for you to copy the link and the prompt I'm going to use so that you can use it all along as well. So now I will go to my keyboard. I will be using the Windows key. So that's the Window key and X. So once this pop-ups, press A. Now once you press A, click on Yes. Now, once you click on it, after this prompt, write this prompt out, which is IRM. Follow everything I show you here. Now, once you get this done, then click Enter to run the command. As we are waiting for the command to run, make sure you copy the link. I will put it in the description below. After I run the command. So this is what's the next window we will bring out. So now, once this pops out, after you've run the command, then you press 1. So you're going to press 1. So once you press 1, yeah, this will run. So although I've activated my own, but yours. Once yours is activated successfully, you will see the option whereby the activation window will be removed from here. So that means it's been successful. So once you see your activity activate Windows option that is at the right side, the bottom right of your screen, then automatically your Windows key is activated. The activation window is done, so let's click on Enter. This activates anyway. I've already activated this window. So although if you have not activated it, I will just click on Run, but I've activated the window already. So you can see Windows 11 Pro is already permanently activated. So once it's on yours, you will see the option whereby it removes the activation window at the bottom right here. And that's how you activate your Windows permanently and activate Windows 11.